A liquidation imbalance of 699,000% was recently observed by Shiba Inu, which resulted in the immediate extinction of leveraged speculators. The charts unexpectedly reversed, catching everyone off surprise, despite the fact that the majority of the market was betting heavily on Shib to increase. However, there is a catch. In the weeks ahead, analysts are now predicting that this configuration could actually serve as the catalyst for a massive 100% God candle breakout. So, if you possess any SHIB tokens or have any interest in Shiba Inu, you cannot afford to overlook this video. What is the most recent news regarding Shiba Inu coin? And how will this impact the value of Shiba Inu? I will address these inquiries in today's video and provide you with all of the recent price-boosting information regarding Shiba Inu. I have conducted extensive research for this video, so it is imperative that you view it until the conclusion to ensure that you do not overlook any pertinent information. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. However, before we delve into our subject, let us examine the chart and observe the cost of Shiba on September 25th. The current expense of the Shiba Inu is approximately 1187 units. With a 24-hour trading volume of $200 million, SHIB's price has declined by 3.5% in the past 24 hours. Additionally, the token is presently ranked as the 29th highest valued cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization exceeding $6.9 billion. Please note that these prices may have changed by the time you view this video. This content is not intended to provide financial advice. We will now proceed to the video of the day. In the hourly liquidation imbalance, the Shiba Inu experiences a 699,000% increase. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency that is dog-themed, has experienced an abrupt market decline, resulting in the liquidation of leveraged lengthy positions. Bitcoin overturned a trade near $111,000 after previously reaching $113,000. This trend was replicated by significant cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu, resulting in the liquidation of lengthy positions on the derivatives market. Shiba Inu experiences a liquidation imbalance of 699,000%. Traders who were anticipating price increases were caught off guard when the Shiba Inu plummeted to 1,200 units from its previous high of 1,457 units. The overall liquidation for SHIB in the recent past amounted to $111,860, as per CoinGlass data. The long liquidations amounted to $111,840, while the short liquidations were a surprising $16.50. This disparity accounted for a 699,000% imbalance. The unexpected $16.50 figure documented in short liquidation indicates that the majority of Shiba Inu traders were expecting a price increase. However, the marketplace took a surprising turn. At the time of publication, SHIB was trading at 1,230 units, a decrease of 1.92% in recent hours. This decline contributed to daily and weekly losses of 4% and 11% respectively. Shiba Inu creator Kyle Daria announced that the development of Leash v2 has commenced in a positive update for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Additionally, the Shiba Inu team is consulting with advisors to ensure that Leash v2 is future-proof in terms of its architecture and features. If you are still viewing, it would be greatly appreciated if you could strike the like icon. It is entirely free and significantly contributes to the channel's financial stability. However, continue to monitor the Shiba Inu coin to learn about the most recent updates and potential future developments. Shiba Inu's Doggy DAO discontinues a groundbreaking voting model. Shibarium's developers have recently updated the Doggy DAO voting mechanism of Shiba Inu, thereby safeguarding the Layer 2 network from widespread attacks. The new decentralized autonomous association consensus encompasses proposition creation that is not contingent upon Bone Shiba exchange staking. Doggy DAO introduces a threefold voting mode. The Doggy DAO infrastructure has been enhanced to enable the Shiba Inu community individuals to publish and vote on proposals using ERC20 token voting. This means that the balance still counts as voting power, even if the digital currencies are not staked. Furthermore, Shib Army members have the option of selecting quadratic voting. In this novel mode, the cost of additional voting power is increased exponentially, rendering it virtually impossible to surpass the vast majority of Doggy DAO's voting power. Each governance plan creator will have the ability to select the strategy that best suits their offerings, thereby achieving a more equitable approach to influencing Shib's DeFi future. Shibarium undergoes subsequent modifications. In accordance with the DeFi vision, Shib's developers are currently in the process of developing an identity-based method for Doggy DAO, which would facilitate the implementation of a one-vote-per-person rule. The developers are preparing to introduce a Layer 3 chain next year, with the pledge to bring Shiba Inu's Layer 2 chain to 1 billion users worldwide. This initiative is supported by $12 million from prominent industry names, including Animoca and Polygon Labs. The newest coin in Shiba Inu's ecosystem, Shiba Inu's Treat, will power the new chain. In addition to Treat, Bone Shiba Swap and Doge Killer will fulfill distinct roles on-chain. Treat is a reward coin for Web3 activities that is currently accessible on several prominent crypto platforms such as MEXC, BitGet, and Gate.io. In conclusion, this refined Doggy DAO governance system is consistent with the broader Web3 movement of digital identity, providing a unified approach to establishing on-chain reputation. Shibarium's Karma Point platform, a previously announced crucial feature, establishes the foundation for the establishment of trustworthy collaborations between respectable Web3 entities in the face of a pandemic of imposters. The primary subject of today's video is the Shiba Inu. Prepare for a powerful 100% weekly candle metrics cry. Indeed, Shiba Inu is one of the most robust digital currency coins to have ever existed in space. At the present time, the coin has been exhibiting a wide range of volatility, with an equal number of spikes and dips in its value momentum. In spite of the market environment that is currently favorable to the altcoin rise, Shiba Inu is still awaiting its fortunate price increase, which could potentially propel the cryptocurrency to unprecedented heights. In the aftermath of this, a new forecast indicates that the time is opportune for the Shiba Inu to ascend to new heights, thereby reaching the location it has been desiring for an extended period. What does the figure indicate about Shib? Let us investigate. Cards experience a complete surge in God Candle energy. Specifics. According to a recent TradingView analysis, Shiba Inu has the potential to permanently reverse the situation if it is able to surpass its weekly support levels. According to the MMB Trader analysis on TradingView, Shiba Inu is highly likely to reach new price highs only if the token is able to surpass its current obstacles. The analysis provides a comprehensive examination of how Shib is poised to break free from the descending trendline and reach a value of 3,364 units. The achievement of this objective is contingent upon Shib's ability to surpass the 1,000 unit support level, a pricing point that it has consistently exceeded since January 2025. The two weekly backings, which are 1,000 units and 700 units, are sufficient to maintain prices in the same manner as in previous years. I anticipate that the weekly plus 100% candles will soon astonish us. A similar price increase for Shib is suggested by an additional TradingView analysis. Shib is on a trajectory to hit 7,000 units if it is able to breach its trendline resistance once more, according to TradeFX on TradingView. In the chart, it is evident that a trendline obstacle has impeded the Shiba cryptocurrency's growth since its release for trading. Consequently, we have once again encountered this trendline. The price of Shib will increase by at least 150% if this trendline fails in the weekly free time. My initial objective is to reach 7,400 units. If this trendline is rejected again, I anticipate that the Shiba cryptocurrency will decline to the 1,100 unit level. To ensure a safe trade, I suggest waiting and observing the outcome. The token's long-term price forecast. The coin codex's Shib data further supports the token's current aspiration to achieve significant long-term growth, given its favorable price predictions. By February 2026, the platform anticipates that Shib will reach 2,851 units. The price of Shiba Inu is expected to increase by 123.21% and achieve 2,851 units by February 15, 2026, according to our current price prediction. According to our financial indicators, the present sentiment is adverse, and the Dread and Avarice Index is recorded at 60. Over the past 30 days, the Shiba Inu has experienced a 6.82% price volatility and 43% verdant days. According to the Shiba Inu prediction, the current time is not a favorable one to acquire a Shiba Inu, as per the prediction platform of CoinCodex. Many of our subscribers have expressed their intention to refrain from selling Shib for the next 5 years and to retain millions of them due to their confidence in the Shiba Inu creators and the tangible benefits of Shib. How many are you individuals currently holding? Please ensure that you include your Shib assets in the comment section below. We should commend the Shib owner for their faith and confidence in the process. If you are finding the video to be enjoyable, we would appreciate it if you could give it a resounding thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments. Additionally, ensure that the post notifications are enabled to receive notifications whenever we publish a new video.